In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track website traffic effectively using HubSpot. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a small business owner, understanding your website traffic is crucial for growing and engaging your audience. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you've logged into your HubSpot account. Having access to your account is essential as it allows you to utilize all the powerful tools HubSpot offers. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate over to the trial guide. This is your one-stop resource hub, providing everything you need to kick off the form building process. Although it might sound like a different task, having your forms set up correctly is fundamental to collecting the visitor information you'll analyze later. Now, moving on to your homepage, the next step is to head over to the Reporting tab. HubSpot offers a comprehensive set of reporting features, but we want to focus specifically on tracking website traffic. So once you click on Reporting, a drop-down will open and you should look for Reports. Here, you might see a lot of different options, but don't worry. We're going to focus on one area today. Within this menu, you'll notice an arrow under the Marketing section. Click on it to expand your options. You'll want to select Web Traffic Analysis from these options. This tool is a powerful feature of HubSpot as it allows you to dive deep into the specifics of your site visitors. It's here that you can monitor the number of visitors, see which pages they're visiting, and find out how long they spend on each page. This insight is not just about numbers. It tells the story of your audience's behavior and preferences. Once you're in the Web Traffic Analysis section, take your time to explore the multitude of information available to you. Here, you'll find key metrics such as page views, bounce rates, and even the origins of your website traffic. Bounce rates, for example, indicate the percentage of visitors who navigate away from your site after viewing only one page. A high bounce rate could suggest that your landing pages need improvements or adjustments. Similarly, understanding where your traffic is coming from, whether it's organic search, emails, or social media, can help you refine your marketing strategies to better target and reach potential customers. By keeping a close eye on this data, you'll be able to make informed decisions about content updates, marketing channels, and even product offerings, ultimately driving more success for your business. So take some time to familiarize yourself with these insights and let HubSpot arm you with the knowledge to enhance your digital presence. Thank you for watching.